So one of the areas I've been paying a lot of attention to lately is desktop and application delivery. So it's not VDI. Sure, VDI is part of that, but it's not the whole piece. So at the end of the day, if I'm going to look at how I better deliver applications and desktops, I've got to look at a few things. One, what are those different delivery models? And those different delivery models, sure, that can include VDI, but it may include some stream type of environment. It may include even a application virtualization, even looking at virtualizing some of that user profile or just overall folder redirection. So I have to think about all those different pieces. Then on the other side, I have to think about what those devices look like. So no longer is it how do I take that application, deploy it to a laptop or a desktop? How do I take that application and ultimately deploy it to one of these many devices in my organization? Then to further kind of move the needle along or look out further on the wire, where does that application and desktop come from? Sure, I could be doing it locally in my environment, but more and more we're seeing people take software as a service is a good example. But what about being able to take and consume from another ISV who may be providing that application, being able to take data, for example, being able to consume from some of these cloud online file management type of systems. So now I've got to think, what's the delivery model? What type of devices am I deploying it across? And ultimately, where am I consuming it from? So really looking at application desktop delivery, really workspace delivery, no longer is VDI, which in some cases makes all the sense in the world, but all you're doing is moving that desktop applications and data from out on the endpoint inside the data center and then projecting it out. Now I've got to think across all these different areas. So I've got to think about what's the delivery model, what are those device types, and ultimately where is it consuming from?